first look at what is the role of a product manager. You have heard various views on what is product management. Some say a PM calls the shots on the products. Others say a PM is the voice of the user. Yet others say the PM needs to do what it takes to get stuff done. If product management is described so differently by everyone, we need to be clear what the role of a PM really is. Managing a tech product requires you to have a deep understanding across various disciplines: design, tech, analytics, with an underlying understanding of business. The depth of understanding required across these disciplines depends on the type of feature or product that you will be managing. Let's look at the first one, design. A product manager is the voice of the user and hence in charge of the user's experience of the product. What does owning the user's experience mean? It means getting into the user's head to understand his context and his expectations from the product and taking the design decisions to make the product usable. This will require you to have an understanding of user experience design so that you can visualize the requirements of a usable product and deliver it on the vision along with the design team. However, many of us are from engineering background and have had minimal or no exposure to design. But remember, an engineer with a design background is a potent combination. The second important skill a product manager should have is an understanding of technology. The question is, how much knowledge of technology should you have? That will depend again on the type of product that you are managing, as the head of products at various companies will tell you. When your product has been released, it will be available to a large user base. It is not possible for you to speak to each user and find out what he thinks of your product. That's where you will need to understand data. Data of how your users use your product, what features working, what is not working, where are the users dropping off. There might be instances when companies do not have a data-driven approach, and in such instances, it will be you as a PM who will have to bring the data-driven culture in. We have looked at the importance of an understanding across tech, design, and analytics for a PM. However, remember that you need to apply these skills for a product or feature within the context of the business that you're working for. And you will have to be the person leading that discussion. Which feature should we invest time and resources on and why? This translates into the product management roadmap, which is essentially the product manager's perspective on the prioritization of the features that make business sense.